Hey crafters, Lisa here from Fun Stuff Crafts. So glad you joined me for another Inspiration Friday. Well, this video might be a little bit sooner than Friday. I had one of my subscribers, Amy, reach out to me and she really liked the DIY gator mask that I made, but she had a really good comment. She was like, is there a chance that we could make it two different colors? Front side one color and the outside another color. So I thought, you know what, why not make it reversible? So this tutorial is going to show you how to make this cute gator mask. So this is one side of the mask. And then if I just flip it over, I could have it a different side. One of the comments she made is, I really want to make sure that I have the inside in the inside all the time, and when you make it the same color, you really can't tell. Now I know that these are not for everyone, but I've had lots of requests on the gator mask, and I really hope you like this really quick tutorial. I'm gonna link the original one down below that I did, and then this one is just showing you how to take that same concept and make it being a reversible gator. So hold on and we'll join you back at my sewing table. But before we go, I just really want to thank you guys for stopping by my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button down below and click on the bell, and YouTube should alert you each time I upload a new video. I try to do an Inspiration Friday video every week. And hey, if you're looking for something new and you want me to put together a video on something, make sure you leave a comment down below. I love to hear from you guys. So give me a second and we're gonna get making this cute reversible gator. To start the project, we need 2 pieces of knit fabric. Now, I had to adjust the size and I used my ruler and my rotary cutter. And I'll have the sizes down below for you, but I have 2 pieces the exact same size. And the biggest thing you want to make sure here is that the length is very stretchy. Okay, so this is a medium one, and I've got 2 pieces that are 19 by 10. So they're 19 inches long and they're 10 inches in height. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to put our right sides together. And this knit fabric likes to curl. And so I am going to use some clips. And I'm going to go ahead and clip along the long length. Now this is the length that has the stretch to it. Now I am going to use my serger on this project like I did on the original gator, but if you do not have a serger, you can use your zigzag stitch. Really important to use that zigzag stitch because you want the stitch to be able to have some give with all of the stretching that's going to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and take this over to my serger and I'm going to serge along that long length there. And so then we're going to make it into one piece of fabric. So I'll be right back. Now you can see here I have added my stitch and I did use my serger as I said, and now you can see we have got one piece of fabric put together. So one is going to be the inside and one's going to be the outside, making sure my stretch is still going the long way. Okay. Now what we're going to do is basically exactly what we did in the original gator tutorial, which I'll make sure I link down below, is we are going to, again, we're going to use some clips and we're going to clip the material, and basically what we're doing now is we're making a tube. So we're making the inside and the outside. And so I've got right sides together again, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to match up those ends. Knit fabric does have a lot of play in it, so I want to make sure that I've got those in there just right. So I'll use a few clips. Again, I'm going to take it over to my serger and I'm going to serge along that long length. Now you can see I've got both sides done, and we're going to turn it right side out, and you can see we've got the beginnings of our gator. Okay. Now, just like in the original one, we now need to fold right sides together on the tube Now it's going to be really important here that we match up our seams because this is going to be in a reversible gaiter, and so we want to match up both the seams. So I like to put my right sides together here, and I like to put a clip just right there on each seam so that when I take this back over to the serger, or if you take it to the sewing machine, that you want to make sure that you've got those matched. And then what we're going to do is take it over the serger and give it a seam, or to your sewing machine, going all the way around, making sure you have that 2-inch opening. Okay, so now you can see I've come back and I've got it all serged. I've got that opening that we left so that we can turn it right sides out. Now you're going to see that we've got our reversible gaiter where we've got the cute yellow print on one side and we've got that white print with the arrows on the other side. Basically, all we need to do now is we are going to finish off our opening. I like to double check and make sure I've got my stretch going the right way. And then there's that little opening that I've got. Also want to show you guys the other side of this gaiter. I just think the print turned out so cute in it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn it back to the yellow side because we want to finish that opening. And you can either hand stitch it or you can do a zigzag stitch, whichever you would like to do. I went ahead and did a zigzag stitch on this one, and my gaiter is now ready to go. I can either wear it with the white side out or I can wear it with the yellow side out. So let me know what you think. Thanks so much for joining me for another Inspiration Friday project. I hope you like this project on a reversible neck gaiter and a step-by-step video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell and YouTube will remind you each time I upload a new video. If you have a question, please add a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And also, don't forget to check out my blog at funstuffcrafts.com for other DIY projects.